Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the S Cinetone profile and locking a clean base exposure. Set your base ISO to the camera's native value to minimize noise, then set shutter and aperture for desired depth and motion. You should white balance manually or use a reliable preset and lock it. Once done, enable zebras or histogram to read highlight limits. Make small aperture or shutter changes only to preserve skin rendition and the profile's midtone character. Now refine midtones and highlights while keeping the S Cinetone curve intact. You should monitor zebras or false color. Target 70–80% for exposed skin and avoid sustained 100% on faces. Adjust exposure in 1/3 stops. Use aperture for depth, shutter only for motion changes. If a scene has bright speculars, dial in a small negative exposure or pull highlights later in grading. Make test frames and view on a calibrated monitor to validate skin tones and contrast. Finish by shooting reference frames, a neutral gray and a few skin tone shots under the same light. You should review these on a calibrated display to confirm highlight headroom and shadow detail. If highlights clip, reduce exposure by a stop or add ND if possible. If skin looks flat, increase in camera contrast slightly or add a gentle film like LUT. Troubleshooting tip. If skin still blows or looks washed, lower exposure 0.5 one stop and recover highlights in grading rather than pushing clipped data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.